It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 22nd of September. I'm Michael Groff. Today is the first full day of fall, and for us here in Arizona, that means absolutely nothing. Dry, warm, and breezy today. Now, we will see a downtrend in temperatures over the next few days with an increase in clouds, moisture, even a chance at some showers and storms across parts of the state, but the forecast is just littered with uncertainty. We'll try and figure it all out as we dive in and discuss. First, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 102 degrees the afternoon high, 74 was the morning low, the normal high 99, the normal low 77. And looking out there now, just after 5 a.m., clear sky across the valley, and we are at 79 degrees. At Sky Harbor, dew point at 43, relative humidity 28%, the winds from the east-southeast at 9 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows a trough across the eastern half of the country, and that's pushing a cold front south and eastward. A first taste of fall for the upper Midwest all the way down to the deep south. But here in the Southwest, high pressure is the story. And so we remain warm, breezy, and dry. The watch warning map, we still have some freeze warnings out here in parts of the West. Flood watches with our front in sections of the Virginias up into Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Michigan. The convective outlook for today, again with that front, there is that risk of severe storms from the Carolinas northward up into parts of Pennsylvania and extreme western New York. And the tropics, kind of a noisy map, but not a whole lot happening here. You've got Peter and Rose, those are fizzling tropical systems. The ghost of Odette is up there in the North Atlantic, drifting southeastward. That may become a warm core system again, reestablishing its tropical characteristics, but that should not impact anyone. And then a wave in the central Atlantic with a high chance of development. That's Invest 98L. But looking at modeling on this, it looks like it may just miss everything, including the Lesser Antilles as it curves, gains latitude, and hopefully moves harmlessly out to sea. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix and across much of southern and central Arizona, generally at or under 1/10 of an inch. Could be some rain around here at some point, but the forecast does have some uncertainty involved, and we'll get into it as we take a look at modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure across the southwest. You'll note that little short wave there over the Pacific Northwest, and much of our model guidance suggests that will dive south and cut off as a closed low over the southwest. And so for us down at the surface today, sunny, breezy in the morning, high temperatures, upper 90s to around 103. Tonight, clear sky, dry air, overnight lows in the 70s. And then the forecast enters into a period of uncertainty. I know, uncertainty only 24 hours out, but this particular run of the GFS shows our trough continuing to move north of Arizona as a wave, pulling some moisture north for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. But a good portion of our ensemble guidance still shows this trough closing off into an upper low, dropping southward into the greater southwest and taking a position somewhere to our west. Exactly where? Well, still not quite certain. But for now, that's just how we're going to tailor the forecast. We're going to go with the closed low scenario. So for tomorrow, partly sunny here in Phoenix, high temperatures upper 90s to around 101. On Friday, partly sunny, widely scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms across east central and southeast Arizona, and high temperatures here in Phoenix around the mid-90s. And the chance of rain is technically not zero, but we're going to keep it out of the forecast for both tomorrow and Friday. But then on Saturday, again, this run of the GFS shows no closed low. In fact, it shows a ridge trying to build in. But the European still has the closed low here, and that's, again, how we're keeping the forecast. So we'll continue to see an increase in moisture, partly sunny sky, and maybe even an isolated shower or storm in the afternoon here in the valley. High temperatures on Saturday, low to mid-90s, as the heights should be coming down a little further with our upper low. Sunday, partly sunny with a slight chance of showers and storms here in Phoenix. They'll be widely scattered. Even if we get rain, I would expect it would be mostly on the light side. And high temperatures, again, low to mid-90s for Sunday. On Monday, again, the GFS has us dry, and the European starts to dry us out as well, so we'll put the forecast more toward mostly sunny, high temperatures low to mid-90s, and pretty much the same thing on Tuesday, mostly sunny, low to mid-90s, maybe an isolated storm in the eastern portions of the state, and that's about it. Then going out to a week from today, this is Wednesday the 29th, the GFS has a trough digging into the Great Basin, Some moisture may be getting advected northward here into the southwest. That remains to be seen, but an interesting scenario. And as we go out 10 days, this is Friday, the 1st of October. The GFS has a baggy trough out here across the west, a little closed low off of the Baja, rather high amplitude pattern taking shape as well. This could be somewhat unsettled for us if this verifies. The European shows an extremely high amplitude pattern with a 588 ridge all the way up into Ontario, a deep trough off the west coast, and a closed low here over Arizona. But trying to forecast the position or even the existence of a closed low 10 days out, it's like eating a pine cone. I would not recommend it. As we check out rainfall for the Phoenix area going out over the next couple of weeks coming off of the European ensemble, there are quite a few members that are buying into at least some rain later in the week or this weekend. And the GFS ensemble, kind of a similar setup as well. But even if we see rain, mostly it would be on the light side. Of course, the control member here is up around 1.25 inches, but the ensemble mean is around 1/3 of an inch. But there is still that chance things could turn a little bit more unsettled. We'll see. And looking at temperatures off the national blend of models after tomorrow, highs in the 90s, lows in the 70s. But if you think that tomorrow is the last 100-degree day of the year, I'm not quite ready to buy into that just yet, even though our ensemble guidance does keep us below the century mark all the way into the first week of October. But as we know, it can still be quite hot all the way through mid-October around here. And that'll just about wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions, they are always encouraged as well. I thank you so very much for watching each and every day. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, watch your kids around the swimming pool, and have yourselves an amazing Wednesday.